Hello, I am Sergeant Hartfield. I am an instructor at the Northern Warfare Training Center, and today we're going to talk about your meal cold weather. Generally, soldiers are very used to MREs, or meals ready to eat. They're full meals ready to go in packages similar to this. The problem with that in the Arctic is that there are a lot of liquid and fluids in those meals, and they freeze. So we have come up with the MCW, meal cold weather, okay? All this is a lot of dehydrated things that we reconstitute so that all you need is boiling water. So this is what they look like, nice and sealed up, but this is not exactly my favorite flavor. So I have prepared a turkey tetrazzini meal for you. The first thing we're gonna talk about is the main meal itself, okay? This is just a dehydrated meal. All you do is you boil your water, which we've already done, and you add it in here and let it soak. One of the tips that I would like to give you about these is to cut it high. A lot of people like to cut it super low and then you can't cook it. It doesn't steep well, all right? So I like to cook it nice and high, and then I love gear that's multifunctional. So my knife has a pocket clip on it, and I use it to pinch this off. It says add 16 ounces of water. If you put too much in, it's not a big deal, it's just a little soupy. I'm also gonna pour it from this field pot, so this might be our own little adventure. So now I put my hot water in here. I'm gonna let it mush around and make sure all of the meal is affected by the water, and then I roll it up. And this is where my handy dandy pocket knife comes into play. I use my pocket clip, and that way all of the heat stays inside. So once it's actually cooked, I cut it lower. And the only way you're gonna learn these things is if you get out there, choose an adventure, and just live it up. One of the big hazards in the Arctic is not eating enough calories while you're out there. So just the act of being cold burns calories. And you can go down with another injury because you're not having enough calories in your diet. So these MCWs, your meal cold weather, they offer the calories you actually need to operate in a cold environment.